resistance reading with the outlets. 0, 0, 0. Though when I went to the 2000 setting on the multimeter, I did get kind of like a, I don't know, really, I guess my thought is like a diode effect, but there was some little reading and it went away. This outlet had no reading, and there's no reading there. And I took a photo, and I guess I'll narrate it right quick here while I'm recording video. I think the wiring's wrong. So the 240, if assuming this connector, the hots and the neutral wires are that, and those, the top and bottom are the separate 120 windings, then, or it'd probably be post the voltage regulator controlling the rotor to create the whatever the voltage is off the windings directly from the alternator to create the 120 and 240. But anyways, if I'm thinking correct, and I might be wrong, because now I'm thinking about it, it might be that's combined in series before the voltage regulator. If not, then the 120 outlet, if it's in series here, it's wired wrong. But maybe if, I'm trying to think about it, because I just don't comprehend how that would. Anyways, I think it's wired wrong. So I'm going to have to look at and assess a little more. I'm going to have to disassemble and see what exactly is going on in here with the regulator design. I see a capacitor right there, so it's not probably the potted AVR design. So I'm guessing all those, the rectifier, if there's a transistor in there of some sort, that's all going to be something I can access and repair. I'm at 2 minutes now, so I'm just going to call it good. And until next time.